I am in my sixth semester of B.Tech and I have officially stopped studying for my university exams. Not because I'm lazy, but because I realized I was playing a rigged game. I am in the pioneer batch of a new college with a broken grading system and zero placement track record. I realized that if I rely on my degree to get me a job, I will graduate with a piece of paper and zero income. So, I'm building an exit strategy. Welcome to Mercenary Tech. This channel is about bypassing the academic fluff and mastering the exact tech stack that companies actually pay for. Here is my 6-month roadmap to pivot into a high income Python role. Most students are focusing on GPA, writing theoretical exams, and hoping a mass recruiter picks them up. This is the traditional path. The mercenary path is different. We don't care about theory, we care about utility. Companies don't pay you for what you know, they pay you for the problems you solve. Because my college's grading system caps out artificially low, my resume goes straight into the trash if an HR bot scans my GPA. The only way to bypass that filter is to build a proof of work that is so undeniable they don't even ask about my grades. How I am executing this pivot over the next 6 months. So, the first step is high return of investment Python. I'm ignoring C++ or obscure languages. I'm focusing 100% on Python because it is the fastest route to automation and backend development. Two things businesses bleed money on. Then, step number two. The I want to quote it, boring tech stack. I'm not trying to build the next AI startup. By mastering FastAPI, PostgreSQL, and basic cloud deployment, I want to build the boring, stable backend systems that mid sized companies rely on to process data and handle users. Then, our step number three, the anti resume. Over the next few months, I'm building three specific projects on this channel. A web scraper for data extraction, an automated business tool, and a full crude backend API. My GitHub will become my actual resume. Okay. To prove that I'm not just talking, I started day one by solving my own problem. I wrote a 20-line Python script that automatically organizes my messy downloads folder by file type. It's a small, but it's a utility. It took me like 10 minutes to build and saved me hours of manual sorting. So, what I did is I went to AI, I went to Google Gemini, and it helped me write this script and understand it. But that is how you start. So, that is the essence of mercenary tech: write code, save time, and generate value. And here it just works. As you can see, the code has run and the download folder, it has been sorted properly with folders of each file type. I am documenting this entire journey, every project, every bug, and every job application. If you are stuck in a broken college system, or if you just want to learn how to turn code into cash, hit subscribe. We're dropping the academic mindset and building systems that scale. See you in the next project.